Hey everybody, welcome back to The Future Is You. I'm your host, Alex Milanese, and I'm a teacher right here in West Virginia. You know, one of my favorite parts about CTE are the incredible opportunities that we give students every day. That's why we're here today at Wheeling Park High School. We're here to visit their CTE programs and talk to some of their students about the awesome stuff they get to do every day.
We encompass everything. We have radio and television broadcasting. We learn interviewing skills, we learn camera skills, and students leave to college and get careers in the industry. There are definitely opportunities.
It definitely helps me personally too, just being able to talk to people. It's definitely brought me out of my shell, and if you're like really shy, it will definitely help you. It's definitely prepared me for some things that I wasn't ready for.
There's something for everyone, but especially in career technical education.
So as you can see, career and technical education has some incredible opportunities for students. If you'd like to find out more, you can check out our website at careertechwv.com. And remember, the future is you.